from Pomona, California. I slept for like 10 hours and I'm still exhausted. I don't understand it. The math is not mathing there. Anyways, right now we are on our way over to Vintage 1320 Apparel, and we're dropping off some pistons and rods to have them sell at the trailer. So we'll see you in a minute over there. Alright, I'm over here on the midway at Vintage 1320 Apparel, where we've got parts, hats, and even shirts for sale up here. So if you're ever at the track, make sure to come by and get some Terry Haddock Racing merchandise. Came out here to check out Heatwave Visual here on the midway and see if I could pick myself up some new glasses. And really like these sunglasses. We got a pair in Vegas and I wore them all the time. So Heatwave, I know you sponsor all of the big YouTubers. You want to help us out? Reach out, link in the description. There's an email down there. Email me. Let's talk. Mr. Force just had a very, very rough Q2 where he got tangled up with J.R. Todd at the top end, and it just shows how quickly things can go wrong with these cars. And yeah, it's scary, but both drivers are okay. Both cars are ruined, so my buddy Jake is going to be having a long night. Sorry about that, buddy. We're running cars again. That was like 25 minutes ago. We're running cars again, and we are the second.
Sudden traction is a premium out there about who's better got
459. 459. I think it shut off at about the same spot.
They poured the parachutes out down here on the starting line just as they were getting ready to tell them to fire up. Hopefully, all that happened is it cruised pulled the lever. We were here.
I'm gonna head back, get it serviced. I'm not sure if we're planning on making the second session. After that run, I expect we will, but that's Chad's decision, so we'll wait to hear from him. Alright, I'm just headed up to the lanes. I was up at the line. I met Zach from Hoonigan earlier and got a chance to talk to him, so I just dropped off a sticker and one of my business cards, and we are back up here for the third and final qualifying session. Hopefully it goes well. Let's go fast. Let's do it. I'd be down with going fast. I like going fast. Alright, they just announced it. It's guaranteed we're racing tomorrow. Nobody can be bumped out. We can't be bumped out, which is good.
We cannot. Better than that. 323, solid run for Hagen.
402.
Move up. Terry
Yes.
does move up.
Let's go. That's my race car. That was fantastic.
Reason he hasn't. So
yes.
That's one of them. But the bottom line
is exactly what the car needed.
Terry Haddock moved up a little.
Yes. All right, we're gonna go back and get it serviced, ready to go, and let's see who we have a date with first round tomorrow. I'd like everybody to know this is very entertaining to watch. Tyler's trying to get this standoff of the flywheel. How's it going for you there, bud? One thing that I try to do when I pull the spark plugs out of the heads is I try and keep them over here on my toolbox, because you'll have kids and people come by asking if we have any parts or souvenirs or anything, and I usually won't give it to the adults, but if it can make a kid's day, I'll keep them and give them to the kids. I just gotta find a better solution for keeping them than this doohickey. Alright, I'm in here FaceTiming Austin so that we can get this week's episode of What Happened Was, hopefully. Alright. Guess he doesn't want to talk to us. I'll try again later. Steve, I believe there's something missing here in our blower.
No, new deal. More room for airflow.
Makes sense. Makes sense. That does seem like a Johnny West thing. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Alrighty, we are back at the hotel, and it's past my bedtime, so I am headed to bed. I'm very tired. But tomorrow morning, we run Robert Height, and I think we're 14th, and we're happy with the car coming back around and running a 402 with blower belt coming off yesterday, and then it just smoked the tires at the top end of the track this morning, and just all part of it. But we run Robert Height. I am really excited for tomorrow. It's going to be a good race day, so it's going to be a lot of fun, and hopefully we can maybe go some rounds. On that note, do all those YouTube-y things and never give up.